What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today, for the previous video, you guys helped me fix my Golf R, so thank you all very much for commenting. And I thought, to reward that and myself, and the Golf is going to be mapped again soon, I thought I'll take her out for a drive because it's a Sunday. What else do you want to do with Sunday? Go for a nice Sunday drive. So I thought that is what we'll do today, because I used to do them all the time, but I never do them anymore. A nice Sunday drive. It is windy as hell, so better off jumping in the car and filming. But before we get on with the rest of the video, we're just going to take a short ad break. Raid Shadow Legends is a free-to-play game across PC and mobile devices. It's one of the first ever RPG games I've played on a mobile device where it doesn't look cartoony and childish sort of thing. It's genuinely just a really good game to play. I have it linked down below if you want to download it for yourself, for PC and obviously your mobile phone. Raid has 16 different factions, such as orcs, dwarves, undead hordes and many more. To be honest, I think I like the dark elves the most just because I think they look pretty badass. And mine's actually rare, and you can see that my weapon is also rare, so I'm out here dealing some heavy damage on the battlefield, you know what I mean. You can also challenge yourself to the edge in ongoing tournaments, compete against the entire Raid community whilst fighting the Dragon's Den, Ice Golem's Peak and the almighty Fire Knight of the Notorious Dragon in order to win some awesome rewards and rare artifacts. And as you can see from yourselves, the graphics and the fighting in it is so good. Like, I kind of feel unstoppable with all my rare stuff at the moment, I can't lie, because no one I've come up against has killed me yet, so I'm doing good. You can find me in the game under my nickname B70NY, and if you're quick enough you can also join my clan. So what are you waiting for? Click the links in the description, and if you're a new player you'll also get 100,000 silver plus 1 free champion, Grumbler. You can find the champion in the faction dwarves. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. Good luck and I'll see you there. Okay, so yeah, like I just said, let's sort of walk around at what the car's sort of saying at the moment. We're ready for more power. We just need to go and drive for 3 hours to go get the more power. But I want to probably service the car first. But I thought, you know what? Before we do that, let's have one final send-off, not really send-off, of like the last time it's stage 1 plus, and right in front of me is a very straight road with lots of bumps and lots of horses. So you make sure I don't drive so fast that I fly off and hit a horse. But let's do some pulls. This car is fucking. I don't like that dip. I could fully get air off that if we wanted. This car is generally, I don't really drive it fast, to be honest. Like, I never have the time to, but if you want to, she's fast, and I've still got aircon on. You know what I mean? Best of both worlds. Right. A lot of people around here don't understand that when I'm on the left hand side of the road they shouldn't be in the middle of the road, but that's just called English drivers. So yeah, I just want to do like a little, I never really go down these roads I'm going down. I used to go down them, but I don't go down these down roads anymore, but I do now. So yeah, come down. Ooh, UK bike life, he's got his bike. Ooh, okay. I'm driving down the roads, I'm seeing how the car feels, you know, because I want to get my last sort of impressions of it before stage 2. I wish I had a draggy, but I don't want to spend £100 on a draggy. One day I will buy one and then I can get some draggy times, but hopefully if I go up to Nick to get mapped, I think he has one, so he can get some times and then I can see some before and after times of the draggy. Yeah. But obviously now, since I went to stage 1, I've had the big boy air-tech intercooler installed. It's a beast. If you want one of them for yourself, B7 Performance, we're selling them. So link down below, induction kits. I need to add a whole more range on the B7 Performance page, but we got a lot of stuff coming. This isn't a promo vid for my page, I just realised that, so I should probably stop talking about that. But yeah, so the Golf R feels very good. I had that issue. The issue is now fixed. Thank you to everyone that commented, and they really did help me find the problem. So shout out to all you guys. I knew it was a good idea doing it, because when I put it in like a VW page, no one gave me the right answer, but you guys did. So thank you for that. Proves that having a community works very well for you, because you fix problem in your car without paying anyone to do it. So the car, as it is, performs very well. It does everything good, but it just does, I feel like, excellent things it does. Launching is wonderful, but back roads and stuff, I feel like it needs, it's probably because I haven't lowered the car, around the bends, it doesn't feel that great. It feels like the car's just pulling you around. Go out around the cyclist. Didn't realise this was a cycle track. But here, there is a bridge. I mean, like sometimes there's like this little town, yeah, and then there's a bridge. But this cyclist is literally up my arse, so I can't even stop still launch. But I'll do a little drive through for you. Wait a second. You ready? You ready? Ah! That is a beautiful sound. That is the sound. Come on. Why is there fucking cyclists everywhere? I mean, didn't realise this was a cycle track. You know, you go down a road, you don't think there's going to be every cyclist everywhere. Right.
It matches the colour.
It does. Colour coordinated. Fucking idiots. Alright, back to the video. So yeah, the car performs wonderfully, launches like a beast. I'm not the best at launching it. I'd like to do like a Santa Pod strip run just to see what sort of time I get compared to when I took my RS down there and my Fiesta ST before that. But if anyone's seen the Fiesta ST video, it got like 200,000 views and about 100,000 comments of people ripping me because all I was doing was burnouts, but I couldn't help that it was wet and on semi-slicks in a Fiesta ST with 300 brake. It's not going to put the power down in the wet. But nevertheless, it'd be good to do another times now in the Golf R. But I do feel like the Golf R, if you're looking to buy one, it's a very good all-round. It sort of ticks all the boxes. It's got space in the boot. It's got 5 seats. Like M4s that come with 4 seats, even though they could have a 5th seat, but they just don't. But there's probably weight reduction of fat people to make the car go faster for that. But I do feel like the Golf R is a very good all-rounder. Like it is same as. It's not the same as an A45, same as an S3 and all that, but an A45 against it, an A45, it's a Benz, so in their respects it's better, but I still feel like the Golf R will be faster. I do have a pretty sick A45 coming on this channel in like a couple videos time probably, or the next video, I'm not too sure. That'll be really interesting to see, and then hopefully we can get them done again when mine's stage 2, because he's A45 stage 2, and do like a versus battle, see what's faster, the stage 2 Golf or the stage 2 A45, because I haven't done them versus videos in a long time, and everyone used to love them, and I love making them because they were fun to make. I'm probably going to get stuck in traffic around here now, but I want to get a launch in this video at some point. Why is there so many people? It's locked down, go home. It's not really locked down anymore, but still go home. But to be fair, I keep thinking of selling the Golf, and then I drive it and I look at it and I think, I don't want to sell it because it looks so cool, it sounds good. I'd like it a bit louder and the decel a bit louder and some flames, but I guess it will come with like stage 2 and that. But I do think I want to keep it. I just need some more power again to boost my hopes in it, and then obviously I can go stage 3 after that. But stage 3 is more expensive because I've got to buy it. Spend like over £1,000 on a turbo and then like a lower high pressure fuel pump, and it's not going to be cheap to keep running the car like that, obviously, but would be sick. So it's definitely up there on what I'm thinking of doing, but I don't know if it's worth the extra money to put in that way. I could put that into like one of my other projects, and like the Fiesta, and it'd be sick. Like stage 3 Fiestas are the nuts. Don't care what anyone says. What's the real speed, bitch? The launch on this car, yeah, it's a fucking party trick.
I'm gonna throw one.
You're gonna throw it, great. But it is so violent that it just makes you happy. It makes you hoo-ha touch the sky. That's how happy it makes you driving this with launch. Launch is just like wah, pew, pew. I'm gonna get a video, yeah, of me doing launch so you can all watch the launch. But like, you're not meant to do them too much because it fucks the Haldex, but you can't not do them enough, because if you don't do them enough, it fucks the Haldex as well. So you got to do like one every 2 weeks, I think, or some shit. I bet I haven't done launch in like a month, 2 months, because I can never see the point. Like I never need to launch. But when I do launch, it makes me appreciate it more, because I'm like, fuck, this car's sick. So that's the top tip if you want to appreciate your launches more. But you gotta make sure, because I get confused, you turn the traction control off, hit into manual, be in race, and then you got obviously hold your foot on the brake and then hold your foot on the accelerator. So you got a left foot brake and then go. But it's worth it. Sick. Makes cool. It sounds violent, which is like wah wah and pew. So I'm gonna capture that for you. Manual, that shit's off. I need fuel. That's fine, I can get fuel. Let's just do a UE. I hope you enjoyed that. That was a nice little launch, you know, I didn't think that was too bad. Okay, so yeah, I don't really know what that video was because I did like 2 launches. I drove the car, made some noises, and yeah, it was like I just fancied like a Sunday drive, like I said, just talking like I used to back in the day of the Fiesta, the Primes. But yeah, that was it. There was no really direction with this video. I just wanted to get out there and have some fun. Hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to get this to the next stage, literally stage 2, or remapped again, because everyone in the comments be like, oh, he talks about his car going stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, it's just called remapping. It's remapping the car to the newer mods to supply them more power. Also, I said I only put an intercooler on, but also put a decal on, so I got that bit wrong. Oh well, just remembered that now. But yeah, these tops have been selling like well alright with the sender on the back on the website right lately, and the hoodies, and I don't know why, because I made the design like a year or 2 ago, and now apparently everyone wants to buy them. I mean, I'm not complaining, it's just really random. Also, the B7 Performance stuff, I've sold like 12 or 13 of them t-shirts, and people have been buying ITGs, D-Cats, full exhaust systems, intercoolers, the lot. So thank you all for the continued support over on there. Make sure you check it out and see if there's something you like. And yeah, I'll see you boys all in the next one. Smash a like, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, peace.